Okay, I am in charge of releasing a giant swallowtail today, so I think I'm going to just, she has this netting that she puts them in, and they all cocoon there. They kind of look like branches, and then they come out. So it's pretty cool. These are the giant swallowtail, and they're pretty frisky, so I'm not even going to try to handle it. I'm just going to open the netting here. And maybe turn it around here. Come on out. I might try to get it. There's I believe that's a monarch there. They're everywhere. But I'm all sweaty, so I don't even know if I can do this. No, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, there you go, there you go. Whoop, I had it for a sec. Come on. Come on. It's hard to film with one hand. Doesn't want to go yet. Okay. Come on. My daughter's better at this than I am. Come on. Come on there. There we go. There we go. Whoa, there it goes. All right. Enjoy your day.